Hello everyone, I am Adrenaline Dale Bazooka Prophet, the CEO of Adrenaline Global Online Educational Platform, a platform that has helped a lot of students globally to become the best in whatever they do, and a platform that handles all educational matters. We live in a society that without education, a nation would be slow in making progress, especially in Nigeria and other parts of the world. We also live in a generation whereby parents are so busy trying to make ends meet, and because of that, they rarely do have time for their kids. And that is where Adrenaline online tutorial platform and educational platform helps to leverage burdens from parents. We have over 15 years of tutoring experience and educational experience. That is why we help parents handle their children assignment, and we make them master it to become a pro in what they do. That is one. Another thing again, there are many of my African brothers who are in international communities and do not have time to do assignment. My platform has helped to stand the bridge, has helped us to stay in the gap to make sure that we give you professional touch with our modern and with our, because that's what we do for a living. We are into educational matters, and we have produced a lot of students who are well equipped. Below you can see some of our students' results in different international community, in the United States, in Great Britain, in different parts of the world. We teach in foreign nations of the world, and even in Nigeria also. We handle any kinds of educational matter. If your child not doing well academically, contact us today. Below are the results of the students, and also the responses of parents nationwide. As you can see, you see our students, you see their results, you see how excellent they are actually doing in the academics. There are some parents, children that have been having for the past 4 years. They won't give up their children to handle if we have not been producing good results for them. That is why we are here, and we are helping everyone academically. So do well to contact us today, and you will be glad you came across the right page. Thank you. God bless you.